Ninth class, now here we'll talk about the trend of the atomic radius in the group. So here this is the size of the atoms or their radii increases from top to the bottom in the groups. Now class, when we move from top to the bottom in the group, the atomic radii increases. Now what is the reason that why the atomic radius increases when we move from top to the bottom in the groups? And here this is the reason. It is because a new shell of the electron is added up in the successive period, which decrease the effective nuclear charge. Now class, there are two reasons of increase in the atomic radius within the group. Now class, the first one reason is the decrease in the effective nuclear charge. Now class, why the effective nuclear charge decreases? Because the number of shell increases. Now class, as the number of shells increases, now the attraction of the nucleus on the outermost shell decreases. Now class, in that condition, when the number of shell increases, now in that condition the nucleus is not able to attract the outermost shell towards itself strongly. Now class, in that condition the atomic radius increases. Class, look at this. Here we'll consider the first group element. So the first group element, the first one element is the lithium having 3 atomic number. The second one element is the sodium with the 11 atomic number. The next one is the potassium having 19 atomic number. The next one is the rubidium with the 37 atomic number, and the last one, fifth element of the first group element is cesium with the atomic number 55. Now class, come towards the first one element. Now class, lithium having atomic number 3. Now class, in that condition lithium having atomic radius 152. Now class, when we move from lithium to the sodium, now class, there will be the increase in the atomic number takes place. Now class, as the atomic number increases, the number of electrons also increases. Now class, in that condition, to compensate the electron, to place these electron within the shells, the number of shells increases. Now class, as the number of shell increases, now in that condition, due to the increase in the number of shells within the atom, the nucleus is not able to contract or attract the outermost shell towards itself strongly. Now class, when the nucleus is not able to attract the outermost shell towards itself strongly, so the atomic radii increases from 152 to 186 picometer. Now class, come towards the last member of the group number 1. So here this is cesium. Cesium having atomic number 55. It means 55 electrons are present within the cesium. Now class, to compensate or to place these 55 electrons, the number of shells increases. Now class, as the number of shell increases, the effective nuclear charge or the attraction of the nucleus on the outermost shell decreases, and due to the decrease in the effective nuclear charge, the atomic radii increases from 152 to 265 picometer. Now class, you can see when we move from top to the bottom in the group, the atomic radii increases due to the decrease in the effective nuclear charge and due to the increase in the number of shells.